Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change navigation buttons in our phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. These are all the navigation buttons. If you want to change their positions, you can do it. Just go to the settings and click on display. Now click on navigation bar. Click on navigation bar here and you can customize button order. Just click this and button order will be reversed, that is back button goes to left side, recent tabs comes to right side. This is now back button. If you click on right side, this will give recent tabs. Middle button acts as home button. You can also do some more customization in navigation bar. Again go to the same settings, display, navigation bar, and I set in first option now, and now click on swipe gestures. Here just you can, instead of button, use swipe gestures. Swipe here on the left side or here on the right side to go back. Swipe up at the bottom middle and hold will give recent tabs. For using home, just swipe up at the bottom middle. So you have also other swipe up gestures. Again go to the same settings and click on display, click on navigation bar, and click on more options and swipe gestures and select first one, swipe from bottom. So you can use bottom swipe instead of side swipe for going back. Just swipe up at the bottom right side to go back. Swipe up at the bottom left side to view recent tabs. Swipe up at the bottom middle to go home. So in this way you can easily customize swipe up gestures. Again go to the settings and click on display and click on navigation bar, and I would like to set to default navigation buttons. So select buttons options and this will be the default. So in this way you can easily customize navigation buttons in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.